Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to apply for HelloFund or HelloFresh refund. Let's just get straight into the video, shall we? To apply for a HelloFresh refund, you must contact their customer support team, preferably via the live chat or phone for immediate assistance, as they often attempt to offer accounts credit instead if you were charged for an order that was skipped before the cutoff time, or if items were missing or damaged. You are entitled to a refund, though you may need to speak with a supervisor to get credits reversed back to your original payment method. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your profile section, click on contact us, and then simply go ahead and verify that you are a human and click on the chat option. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.